This blanket pattern was inspired by I think she was an Instagram, maybe a viewer, Instagram follower. She wanted me to make a Rory sweater from Gilmore Girls. And I had no idea what Rory sweater looked like. I found it online. We did a picture. And I did my attempt at making it look like it. We got the big cable, the little cable, the big cable. There we go. You only have two. But this one here has 3 when it's together. So you start out with 3, 4, 3. The very first row, you take 1 from the side and you put it in the middle. Take 1 from the side and put it in the middle. And the very next right side row, you put them back where they were. Okay. And if our life would have been a lot easier if I just made it the standard 6.
Okay. And then this guy?
This is 10 stitches. And every 12 rows, we do the twist. And it works out good because 3 of these is your 2 of these.
Okay, great.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
No, 1, 2, 6 of these. Actually, 2 of these makes 1 of these. Every time, this is 6 rows, this is 12 rows. Every time you do this, you look at that, well, that's big enough, I'm going to twist it.
Yeah.
I don't really count these rows. These rows don't need to be counted either because you're doing something every time.
Mm-hmm.
I think it looks pretty good.
That's good.